What's going on, everyone? It's Greeny here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be talking to you about how I short meme coins using leverage exchanges. If you like my content, please subscribe down below. Smash the like button as well to support me as a content creator. I really do appreciate it. I obviously have YouTube membership here on my channel. They get exclusive alpha to these videos before it drops to the public, so sign up using the link down below. Alternatively, guys, jump into my private group as it shows you here on the screen using the wap.com link. Essentially, we've been dropping so many profits. We educate and support everyone in the group, and we have over 260 members now chasing daily alpha every single day in crypto. So if you want to check that out, jump into my private group as it could be closing soon. Here's a video, guys, on how I short the market. As always, guys, I'll start with a disclaimer. None of this information should be considered financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Here is how I short the top meme coins in the space. Now, obviously, we can't short meme coins that are pretty much below like sub couple of $100 million of market cap because there isn't enough liquidity for these central exchanges to actually hold them on there, and therefore for people to trade in and out of them and short or long them. So these are the top ones that you can actively currently short in the market, and I'm going to show you where you can actually do that. So for starters, guys, this is how you can sign up to these exchanges. So the two exchanges I'm going to show you today are Blowfin and MEXC Global. Now, Blowfin is no KYC. I currently have partnered with them, so you get a deposit bonus by signing up, as you can see here on the screen. If you want to check that link out, come to the YouTube description below this video and click on this link here on the Blowfin. It's take you to the sign up page, and you can get these futures deposit up to $300 by depositing the requirements, okay, and start trading some of these and shorting some of these meme coins on the space. Alternatively, guys, obviously the MEXC, so that's MEXC Global, is also another exchange that I'll show you in this video where you can short some of these meme coins, but you can click this link here also in the description down below to sign up for MEXC, and that will also give you access to short these particular meme coins in the futures market. Alternatively, if you are on Twitter, you can come to my Twitter, click on the Linktree button. That'll open this, which has all my socials, all my signups that you can check out. But again, there's a Blowfin link there, and there's the MEXC the MXC sign up, and obviously the Blowfin there for the futures deposit bonus. Those are the two ways to get access. Now, obviously, really commonly, you can buy these meme coins using on-chain techniques, whether that's bots in Telegram, whether that's Photon, or whether that's just using Radium or Jupiter as a swap, right? The DEX swaps that you can use to get in and out of these tokens. However, what you can't do on chain is short these. Now, Jupiter has tried to build in some liquidity in terms of long and shorting, but the best way to actually do this is to use MEXC or to use Blowfin, which I'll show you in the video. So I'm going to show you with MEXC straight away. So this is what it looks like when you come into futures up the top, okay, and you're trading by the USDT values, okay. You have liquidity over on the side, you've added to your wallet, okay, and as you can see here, we have WIF on the screen. So if I was to open a potential long or a potential short on WIF, I can easily do it over on the side, okay. So I do have a MEXC tutorial that I have showed you before on this YouTube, but it's very similar to leverage, guys. So again, the higher leverage is the more risky, the lower leverage is less risky, okay. So always please watch those videos, educate yourself with leverage first before you look to actually short, because shorting can absolutely wreck you, because tokens can go endlessly up. However, they can really spike to the low side and grab the liquidity quite easily. So as you can see here, guys, I actually did long WIF recently and shorted up there. So in other words, I took the long and took profits up there. Could have held it for an insane gain, but I did aggressively take profits. But as you can see here, I could open a short if I really wanted to. So a 5x short, okay, on, so say I was trading this. So again, the beauty of MEXC and Blowfin is that you can actually do TA on these tokens live in the actual exchange. So it has a trading view in there, okay, embedded into its platform, so you can use it. So if you are a scalp trader, you could be looking to short the top of this, okay, and long the bottom of this with really aggressive stop losses, okay. But that's a really simple way that I like to trade if I have a fair amount of time. But this is for WIF, so if you would like to short WIF, you can use it on MEXC. Alternatively, we have Bonk, guys. So as you can see here, Bonk is actually showing a bit of weakness on the higher time frames here at 2.1 billion. So where could I short it? I would come to MEXC here. I'd zoom out. Okay, this is obviously on the hourly. I'd come in here and I'd start to consider looking at a potential short on a higher time frame. Very similar for DGen. So now we move across different blockchains, guys. And this is what I love about Blowfin and what I love about MEXC is that they actually have these tokens across different blockchains. So DGen is one of the top ones on obviously Base. As you can see here, is run up incredibly high. And if you did manage to obviously short from the top to this point of time, 42%. So if you had that at 10x leverage, that is 420% returns, which is pretty crazy. And if you are looking to obviously trade those, you would come to Blowfin. So this is what Blowfin looks like, guys. As you can see here, very similar to MEXC. So again, these tokens need to have a very high market cap. Otherwise, these exchanges aren't going to adopt them. So as you can see, it was only dropped literally 2 days ago, but you can start to short degen if you are looking at, and there's that peak, guys. So if you did manage to short from there all the way to current price action, you could get a 35% move on degen. Obviously, BOEM, guys. So BOEM is obviously that huge one that was a pre-sale. So many people in my group got so many good gains from BOEM. But if you, again, want to short this, as you can see, it pumped all the way up here. And if you manage to short this to current price action, you would have had some mad returns. So BOEM is another one. Cockinu, the top one on AVAX, guys. Now, while again, this chart here is showing me a lot of weakness in the short term. Maybe we'd break down. I can't actually buy that on AVAX or I can't actually short that on AVAX using MetaMask wallet. So where can I short it? I come to Blowfin, okay? As you can see here, Cockinu, okay? And I can obviously isolate it, 3x. I might look to short this in the coming weeks. So guys, check those out because it is super important. And as I said before, I have partnered obviously with Blowfin. I have an affiliation with MEXC as well. You can get these deposit bonuses as it shows you here in the description of this YouTube video down below for both MEXC and obviously Blowfin. So check them out to sign up because it can be super active for you to short these meme coins on the crypto, because on chain you can't actually do that. So use these exchanges to short them. Alternatively, guys, come to my crypto Twitter page, as you can see here, Greeny_ETH. Click on my link tree, and it'll give you those links again to sign up for MEXC, okay, down there, and Blowfin right there. If you have any questions, guys, please shoot them down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. So there you have it, guys. There's my tutorial on how I short meme coins in this market. If you like my content, please subscribe down below. Smash the like button as well because it helps me grow as a content creator, and I really do appreciate it. Don't forget, guys, I do have obviously the membership here on YouTube where you get exclusive access to early videos, as well as my private alpha group where we share trades, alpha, education every single day in crypto and chase those 100x meme coins. As always, guys, take care, and I will see you again soon.